Hey, Aussies! Meet Emma, a Sydney office worker who's always juggling deadlines and coffee runs. Sound familiar? You're not alone.
She used to think mindfulness was just for yoga gurus. But guess what? It's for busy people like you too.
Today, we're sharing 3 super simple mindfulness exercises you can do in just 2 minutes to stress less and feel awesome. Ready? Let's dive in.
First up, the 4-4-4 breathing trick. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Repeat 5 times. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. Science says it can lower your heart rate by 7%.
Next, try the 60-second body scan. Close your eyes, focus on your toes, then slowly move up to your head. Notice any tension? Let it melt away. This one's perfect for a quick break at your desk. Last, the gratitude moment. Think of one thing you're thankful for today. Maybe it's that sunny Aussie beach vibe or your morning flat white. This little trick boosts your mood instantly. So mate, think you can spare 2 minutes a day for less stress?
If I can find time for coffee, I can do this.
Here's the challenge. Pick one of these exercises and try it every day for a week. Share your vibe with #MindfulAussie. We want to hear it. Follow AusPulse for more tips to live your best life. Let's make stress a thing of the past, mate.